Professors can also apply for projects to NABARD, and typically what they can do is they can go to, there's a department called Department of Economic Analysis and Research, DEAR, it's called DEAR. They can go to NABARD website, DEAR Corner. There's a format there. They can apply for any project there. It can be related to soft skills, it can be related to extension, it can be related to other than fundamental research. You can apply for projects there, and there's an online application will be there. It will be routed to regional office, and some of your students can learn from there also. And third one is NABARD is also having large number of projects that are being implemented through NGOs and other agencies. The students, after passing out, they can join there also. I used to have, when I was in Balasur, OEIT have done a lot of recruitment of engineers. Is another thing, they got better opportunities, they left. But thing is that, okay, many of them, they were there with me, and it's possible. Yeah. Did I answer your question? Yeah.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Ah.
The next question we have is, there are a lot of information to mention about your business in the slideshow.
Yeah.
How do you manage to compromise all of that to few slides, as you said earlier, about 5 into 525 words, especially about your revenue models and business models, future projections?
Yeah. Okay.
There's all a bit more. Yeah.
Yeah, let me tell you, I did not say you have to put it in 25 words. What I said, a typical slide cannot have more than 25 words. That's what I said. And depending upon time and all these things, you can have 15 to 20 slides when it goes to the top, right? Say suppose a typical proposal comes from CIET to VC. VC, by the time it reaches VC, this proposal would have gone through at least half a dozen processes, including Dean. Now, what they are going through the VC is only for getting that fundamental approval. That's one, for financial approval. Second thing, the reason why they go to VC is to keep him informed that, okay, we are going to take up this developmental proposal. So VC need not know what are the equipment, individual equipment, where are they you are doing, which classroom you may be doing. All that if you start writing, then in that case your presentation will be 70 slides. VC may lose his patience after some time. He may not even have time. So you should be in a position to, when you go to the VC, you should be in a position to crisply present that thing in about 8 to 10 slides. Because in a typical meeting, about 20 to 30 such presentations will be there. You may be thinking I am presenting about 10 slides, but think of the VC or a chairman of NABARD who has to go through 300 slides over 4 hours. Even if you are going to tell whether he has time, it's impossible. Because whole day they will be attending meetings. How much torture they have to go undergo. That is the point. By the time, that is why at the lower level, most of the things have to be screened. That is what I say. I think everybody will agree with me. Yeah. Can I go to the next slide?
Yes, sir. Sir, the next question is from Surya Prakashkar, and it is, how can we take sustainability with our company policies hand in hand?
Okay, I will tell you a typical this thing, how it happens. It happened to me in life in JK Paper Mill. Again, I'm talking from my life experience. You know, like these paper mills and all, they are very influential. I mean, they have got huge influence, actually. Money, power, as well as other things. I will not say that, okay, they were bribing, but thing is that they were having a lot of say. They somehow convinced the government of Orissa to lease them huge area behind the mills so that they can raise the plantations. That is the time I was recruited. One of the first jobs that was given to me is go to that area, see that area, take over that area so that you can take up the plantations there. But when I went there, I've seen that, okay, a lot of these tribals were there, and most of those areas that were earmarked, actually government was willing to give them, were not barren lands. They were having some vegetation. Right? I prepared a report, went to the president of the company. I told him one thing. Today your company is in the verge of closing because lack of bamboo. Tomorrow company will be closing for lack of water if you cut all these trees. What do you want? And also I told him, you want Medha Pathak to come and do dharna in front of the mill gate. And let me tell you, I was the junior most manager of the JK group and senior most president. They will understand the language if you tell them in the words what they understand. I told him. Then he said how to meet the raw material needs. I told him, I promise you I'm going to raise 20,000 acres. Give me 5 years. He said, you promise? I said, yes. Then he promised me, okay, budget is yours. You write whatever you want to spend. It's possible to have a sustainability with development. Nothing is impossible. There are sustainable models. Yeah. Can I go to the next one? Yeah. I think whether you are convinced. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, that's all for our today's question answer session. We all enjoyed it and it was really informative, inspirational and encouraging. We hope to see you in our future sessions also. So now I would like to move forward to invite our Dean College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology and Dean Students Welfare, Dr. Sanjay Kumar Das, sir, to give the message for today's gathering. Sir, please.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, my dear Sridhar, esteemed deans and directors of different faculties, and all friends and students. I will not be speaking anything on the topic. Rather, I will share something about the genesis of such a program. Actually, conducting such a program came to my mind actually when I got the feedback that many of our students actually were not ready for the interviews. Those were conducted for the assistant agricultural engineer job conducted by the state government recently. So initially I thought that let's have some program, rather a series of programs to be conducted by alumni of our college who have been successful in different fields. So immediately I contacted Sridhar to speak to my students about his experiences in life. It was just a journey from CAT to the present position of general manager. So once he agreed, then I told him specifically about this topic. And then I shared this feeling with one of my colleagues here in the college. And then I thought that why should it be a program by the college? Let the program be by the students. Because I understand that when the students take any responsibility, they do it in a much better way than we faculties do because of our limitations of time and all those things. So this is how the program started. By that time also, I did not inform the Honorable Vice Chancellor because really I did not know whether I will be really succeeding in conducting such an event to such a scale. Now, when the students took up the responsibility, so this was not limited to Google Meet. They told that, okay, sir, we'll be hosting Google Meet for 100 participants. And at the same time, we'll be streaming it live through Facebook and YouTube. So when I found that there can be larger audiences than these 100 participants, then only I talked to Dr. Arsidas, who is the principal investigator of the NAHEP project. Then, sir, we are trying to do a national event. Are we linking it to the NAHEP activity? And as usual, he always agreed. He said yes. So this is how the program was born. Sridhar was the first speaker in this series. The program now got the stamp of the IDP NAHEP project with the blessings of the Honorable Vice Chancellor. So I thank all of you. Though this is not a formal vote of thanks, but from the core of my heart, I thank all of you for your great support and all the deans, directors, and all the faculty members, colleagues, friends, alumni who are present here. And what more encouraging can it be when we have seen that our Honorable Vice Chancellor is sitting here with us from 6:15 and now it is 8:15. So this is the type of support and this is the type of encouragement we get from the Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for all your gracious words and as your presence. Thank you, sir. Now I think I'll be requesting Ashida to give the formal vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. We have a person amongst us who has been a great inspiration within these 2 hours for us. Now I would like to invite Subrat to give the final vote of thanks and conclude today's gathering.
And yes, one more thing also I'll be adding to Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. Sir, this was something like a rehearsal actually. I hope we have succeeded in conducting a good rehearsal. So similar such programs will be conducting in future also with the blessings. Sir, okay.
नमस्कार मु सुब्रत सब्यसाची मिश्र कोरोनार वैश्विक महामारी हुए तो आम दिनचर्या को प्रभावित करि पारिछि किंतु आम जीवनर सफलतार गतिपथ को केबे भी अवरोध करि परिबो नै एवं एथिपय जरूरी थिबा ज्ञान प्रेरणा और मार्गदर्शन प्रदान करिवार आम महाविद्यालयर प्रयास सर्वदा अवर्णनीय। प्रथमतः मु धन्यवाद देबा ଚାନ୍ସେଲର ଡକ୍ଟର ପବନ କୁମାର ଅଗ୍ରୱାଲ ସାର୍, ଯାହାଙ୍କ ଉପସ୍ଥିତି ଆମକୁ ଉତ୍ସାହିତ କରିଛି ଏହି ସଭାକୁ ସଫଳତାର ସହ ସମ୍ପାଦନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏବଂ ସେ ନିଜ ବହୁମୂଲ୍ୟ ସମୟ ଦେଇ ଆମକୁ ଅନୁପ୍ରାଣିତ କରିଥିବାରୁ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କ ନିକଟରେ କୃତଜ୍ଞ। ଏଥିସହ ମୁଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି ଆମର ପ୍ରିୟ ଡିନ୍ ଡକ୍ଟର ସଞ୍ଜୟ କୁମାର ଦାସ ସାର୍, ଯାହାଙ୍କ ଅଭିନବ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରାର ଫଳସ୍ୱରୂପ ଆଜି ଆମ CIT ପରିବାରର ଜଣେ ବରିଷ୍ଠ ସଦସ୍ୟଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଆମ ଗହଣରେ ପାଇପାରିଛୁ ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେବି ଆମ ପରିବାରର ସେହି ବରିଷ୍ଠ ସଦସ୍ୟ ଡକ୍ଟର ବି ଶ୍ରୀଧର ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ। ଶ୍ରୀଧର ସାର୍, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେରଣାଦାୟୀ ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ସର୍ବଦା ଆମ ସଫଳତାର ପଥପ୍ରଦର୍ଶକ ଭାବେ ଚିରସ୍ମରଣୀୟ ହୋଇ ରହିବ ଏବଂ ଆଶା କରୁ ଆପଣ ଆମ CIT ପରିବାର ସହ ଏହିପରି ସର୍ବଦା ଯୋଡ଼ି ହୋଇ ରହିଥିବେ। ପୁନର୍ବାର ମୁଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି ବିଶେଷ କରି IDP, NIHEP ଏବଂ ଆମ ସଭା ସଂଯୋଜକ ଏବଂ CIT ଏଗ୍ରିଭିଜନ ୟୁନିଟର ସମସ୍ତ ସଦସ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ, ଯାହାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏହି ସଭା ସଂଗଠିତ ଏବଂ ଶୃଙ୍ଖଳିତ ଭାବେ ସମ୍ପାଦନ ହୋଇପାରିଛି ଏବଂ ଆମ ସହ ଗୁଗଲ ମିଟ୍, ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ, ଫେସବୁକ୍ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଯୋଡ଼ି ହୋଇଥିବା ସମସ୍ତ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ବୃନ୍ଦ ଏବଂ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି, ଯାହାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏହି ସଭା ସଫଳତାର ସହ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ହୋଇପାରିଛି। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ।
Sir, namaskar, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, Sridhar.
Thanks a lot.
Congratulations to all of you, and thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir, good night, sir.
Abu bada bhai mananku namaskar, good night, sanu bhai mananku all the best. Okay,
Good night, Siddharth.
good night. Sir. Thank you. Okay, we'll log out now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Sleep the call.
Okay.
So if you are still on, let
Yes,
me
sir.
thank all the coordinators and organizers and my dear students. You have done a wonderful job, and let's have it a regular event. So
Thank you, sir.
just you tell me, we can contact alumni, senior persons from the government, industry, so that